different devotees will preach to you, oh, be steady, it's okay, hang in there, keep going, maintain your enthusiasm and your hope. You'll get some anubhav, means experience. You'll have experience of Krishna. But when? And so we encourage each other. So hope is carrying us on, as it's told in the Bhagavatam, that the few words that Krishna spoke, he said, Parso, he said, the day after tomorrow I will come back from Mathura. So that's why there's one village down by Govardhan called Parsoligram. Parsoligram is named after that idea. When Krishna boarded the chariot with Akrura in chapter 47 of the 10th canto, Akrura took Krishna and Balaram to Mathura for the wrestling match. So then Krishna looked at the gopis with tear-filled eyes, and they were completely devastated, practically dead. And he said, oh no, I will return Parso. I will return that day after tomorrow. Acharyas say, by those words, then the gopis maintain their existence, living on the hope. Living on the hope. So this is the life of devotees. Devotees from the gopis and Nitya Lila to the sadhakas here in this world. We're all living on hope. It's a fact. It's there in the very beginning, devotees. It's an essential element, and it's also one of the lakshan of the very advanced devotee, and also, as we're hearing now, it's a quality of the liberated Nitya Siddha gopis who are in a Prakriti Lila.